September 5th, 2013, doing your animal puzzle.
Oh.
Very good. Is that the horse? Good job. What's that? What does that say? What does the sheep say, Noah? Very good. That's a rooster.
Oh.
What does the rooster say? I don't think you know. What's next? What's next? Let's save that for later. Where does the cow go? Where does the cow go? We'll go get it. Get the cow. Here. Where does the cow go? There it goes. What does the cow say? Moo. Good job. Can you sit up, please? You're not going to finish? No? Are you tired? It's 6:30. It's bedtime. Save the rooster for last. Where's the pig? Let's do the pig. Where is it? The pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Take your time, buddy. You are really overdoing it. All right. Okay, what's next? What's next? Duck. All right, where does the duck go? What does the duck say? Quack, quack. All right, last one. Just try the rooster one more time. You got to turn it. You got to turn it. Turn the rooster. I'll help you. Here. Rooster. Oh, come on. You can't go out like that. There.
No.
Don't do that. All right, Mama will do it. Ready? Rooster. See? Yay! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.